This low impact rocking stepper was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and showing what it's like to actually use it. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely. You get the stepper itself along with the resistance bands and a non-slip mat. One thing I like right away is that there's not a complicated setup. It's pretty much ready to use with minimal effort. In the video, I go from unboxing it to straight into trying it out, and it really didn't take long to figure out how to use it. The motion is very natural. It's that rocking, stepping motion that's designed to be low impact, so it's easier on your joints compared to higher impact workouts. As I'm using it, you can see how it moves and how the resistance feels. It's one of those things where it doesn't feel overly intense at first, but once you step off, you can definitely feel like it was working your muscles. It also comes with the resistance bands, which is a nice bonus if you want to add some upper body movement while stepping. The digital display is helpful too for tracking things like time or steps while using it. I also wanted to mention something I saw before trying it. I noticed some of the reviews saying that it moves around a lot during use. For me, I actually didn't have that issue at all. I didn't even use the included mat and it still stayed in place just fine. So I'm not sure if that's something they've improved or if it just depends on the surface, but in my experience, it felt stable and didn't give me any problems. Overall, this is a really solid option if you're looking for something simple to use at home. It's easy to get started with, low impact, and still gives you a noticeable workout, which makes it great for beginners or anyone wanting something a little easier on the body. And with the unboxing and real use shown in the video, you can see exactly what to expect.